Hello to all future doctors. Hello everyone. Hi to all NEET 2026 champions. So finally, you all are so close to your exam. So let's talk about few instructions that you have to follow. Instruction to be followed in examination hall. I know academically you all are well prepared and you all are pretty much confident for your exam. But yeah, you have to follow the instructions also. The instructions released by NTA. To maintain the decorum and the standard of examination, the conduct of examination and everything. So let's talk about this. So instructions to be followed in the examination hall, NEET UG 226. So let me show you the information bulletin released by NTA in the beginning when you started your form filling procedure. So this is the information bulletin released by NTA. So let me show you. Yeah. So on page number 52 in information bulletin document, on page number 52, chapter number 13, instructions to be followed in examination hall. This the particular section is there. So the examination center will be opened 3 hours before the commencement of the test. So on examination day only the examination center will be open, and it will be opened 3 hours before. 3 hours before only. So make sure no candidate shall be allowed to enter the examination center after 1:30 p.m. So this is the very important line that you should pay attention towards it. So my dear, make sure to get the location of your examination center 1 or 2 days before, so you all can navigate the location comfortably and you don't face any difficult challenge to reach your examination center on time. And make sure to leave your home early advance, my dear champion, because this is all about your career. So don't, because you know there may be impact of traffic, any weather conditions, anything can be happen, because you will be using your vehicle now, so anything can be happen with anything, any vehicle, right? So make sure to leave your home early advance, 2 hours early or 2.5 hours early, champion. Go, and if you reach your examination center 1 hour before, so sit there now, then only you can mitigate the risk. Okay, so this is very important. So you will not be allowed to enter in examination hall after 1:30 p.m. So this is the deadline of time. Therefore, candidates must ensure that they leave home well in advance, considering all facts like traffic, location, I've already told you. So considering all the facts like traffic, location of the center, weather condition, etc., candidates are expected to take their seats immediately after the opening of the examination hall, after getting into biometric and all the registration process out there. So look at the table here, champion. So this is the date of examination. So timing and during of examination, this is 3rd May Sunday, your examination day, date of exam, 3rd May. Timing of exam, if I talk about, so from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. This is the duration of exam, and that is going to be 3 hours completely. So 3 hours will be given to you, champion, to solve your physics, chemistry and biology. So there will be 180 questions overall. So this is Indian Standard Time from 2 to 5 p.m. So 3 hours you are getting. Reporting entry time, so 11 a.m. you guys have to report your examination center at 11 a.m. Yes, my dear, 11 a.m. Make sure. Last entry to the examination 1:30 p.m. Yes, champion, your entry will start from this 11:30 or 11, yeah, and last entry to be expected is as 1:30 p.m. After 1:30 p.m. no any candidate will be allowed to enter in examination hall. Please pay attention here. Announcement of important instructions and checking of admit card by invigilator. So after entering in examination hall, after going through all the procedure like biometric, registration process, your frisking and everything, your admit card and all the belongings like documents, important documents to ensure that you are the real candidate. So from 1:30 p.m. to 1:45 p.m. will be done. So they will be getting all the staffs invigilator out there. So they will be taking 15 minutes to get over these activities, to check your admit cards, to ensure the real candidature, you are real candidate or someone like some other one is writing your exam. So this is very important. Distribution of test booklet by invigilator. So at 1:45 you will be getting your test booklet, my dear champion, at 1:45, right? Writing of particulars on the test booklet by the candidate 1:50. Yes, you have to start at 1:50 writing, filling the informations. Okay, test commences At sharp 2 p.m. your test will start. Yes, my dear, there will be an announcement, a ring will be there, a bell will be there, that will make sure to, yeah, you all can start now your examination. So at sharp 2 p.m. your test will be commenced. Test concludes, test will be complete, the examination will be ended up at 5 p.m. champion. So you all are getting 3 hours to write your NEET UG exam on 3rd May. 6 p.m. For the eligible PWD and PWBD candidates. So 1 hour stretching for all the PWBD candidates. Okay, now the candidate must show on demand the admit card for submission in examination hall. Please make sure to carry your admit card. This is common, very important thing. So don't possess a valid admit card shall not be allowed to enter the examination hall by the center superintendent. Okay, so you have to carry your real admit card. A seat with a roll number will be allotted to each candidate after going through the registration. The seat will be allotted to you, seat number, system number, whatever is there. So this is offline exam, so of course seat number will be there. So examination from a seat or room number other than allotted candidate, don't do this, otherwise your candidature shall be cancelled. Okay, so the seat which is allotted to you, you have to sit on there, at there only. So during the examination time, the invigilator will check admit card of the candidates to ascertain the identity of each candidate. The invigilators will also put their own signature in the place provided in the answer sheet on the attendance sheet. They will be signing on your admit card. There is a portion given there, so invigilator will be looking out to your admit card to check your real candidature. You all are real or fake. A candidate who comes after 1:30 p.m. shall not be permitted to the enter examination. This is very important, very crucial. You will not be allowed to enter in examination hall after 1:30 p.m. Candidates must bring only the following documents on the day of examination at the test center. Candidates who will not bring these will not be allowed to sit in. So there are these documents are mandatory to carry with you. A printed copy of admit card that is downloaded from NTA website, very important, and your passport size photo should be affixed on that. Second is one passport size photograph, that will be pasted on attendance sheet champion. So make sure to carry one more photograph. One is affixed on admit card and one you have to carry with you to paste on attendance sheet over there in examination hall. One postcard size color photograph with white background. One postcard, can you see here, 4 inch by 6 inch, come on, 4 inch by 6 inch. Make sure this is the dimension for photograph. You have to carry postcard photograph with white background. Please make sure to get this champion on time. Okay, so one postcard photograph of size dimension is 4 inch by 6 inch with white background. There should not be any other color in background, and should be pasted on the performa downloaded with the admit card. There is one more document you have downloaded along with the admit card, which is performa. So you have to affix that photo on that page. Any one of the authorized ID, you have to carry one ID also, one ID, anything like your DigiLocker, Aadhaar card, passport, voter ID, license, anything you can carry. APAR ID is there. Certificates of physical limitation to write if any physical disabled candidate is there. So you have to carry your physical disabled certificate issued by the competent authority. Competent authority is claiming the relaxation under PW category. So this is very important. Okay. So this is all about. Candidates are not allowed to bring any barred items. So I have already explained about the barred items. I have uploaded one more video on this Diksha Karnataka channel. So my dear, go and watch that video. So this is all about champion. So instruction to be followed in examination hall. Please make sure, because you all are just one exam away from your dream medical college. So make sure to follow all the instructions given by NTA strictly. Thank you so much for watching the video, and share this video with your friends, with your NEET aspirants, with all your future doctors friends. Thank you so much. Stay blessed.